alaikum. Welcome to today's maths lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn all about Venn diagrams. For this lesson, you will be able to recall the names and properties of 3D shapes, and you will also categorize the 3D shapes using a Venn diagram. For this lesson, we will need the words Venn diagram, shapes, sorting, groups, compare, and properties. This is a little challenge for you. Race against the clock and in 2 minutes move around and collect as many items as you can in the shape of a cuboid. See how many you collect. You can try it with your family, your friends, or anyone who is willing to have some fun with you. What is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is made up of two circles that overlap. It can be used to sort objects, numbers, or even shapes. Let us look at how we can use a Venn diagram to sort 2D shapes. So in the one circle, we are going to put everything that is blue. In the other circle, we're going to put that everything that has 4 sides. Where the two circles overlap, that means this middle part here, we're going to put the shapes that are both blue and the ones that have 4 sides. Let us start with this rectangle over here. Does the rectangle have 4 sides? Yes, it does. And is it blue? Yes, it is. So we're going to put this rectangle here in the middle because it is both blue and it has 4 sides. Let us look at this one over here. This triangle over here. Is it blue? No, it is not. Does it have 4 sides? No, it does not. So we cannot do anything with this red triangle because it's not blue and it does not have 4 sides. So it needs to stay out of both parts of our diagram. Now let's look at this shape over here. We have a circle. Is this circle blue? Yes, it is. But does it have 4 sides? No, it doesn't. So we are going to put it only in the part of the circle that says blue. Now the last shape over here. Is this shape blue? No, it isn't. But does it have 4 sides? Yes, it does. So it is going to go into the part of the circle that says has 4 sides. Let's try another one. In this Venn diagram, we're going to look at shapes that has 3 or more sides and the shapes that are purple. Let's look at the shape over here. Is it purple? No, it is not. But does it have 3 or more sides? Yes, it does. So we are going to put it in this part of our circle. Let us look at this one. Is it purple? Yes, it is. Does it have 3 or more sides? Yes, it does. So we will put it in the part where it has both 3 sides and purple. Now let's look at the circle over here. Does it have 3 or more sides? No, it doesn't. Is it purple? No, it isn't. So we have to leave our circle out of our diagram. Let's look at this triangle over here. Does it have 3 sides? Yes, it does. But is it purple? No, it isn't. So we are only going to put it in the part that says has 3 sides. 3 or more sides. Now let's look at this one over here, this rectangle. Does it have 3 or more sides? Yes, it does. But is it purple? No, it's not. So we are going to put it only in the side that says has 3 or more sides. Now, let's look at the square over here. Is it purple? Yes, it is. But does it have three more sides? Yes, it does. So we are going to put it in the middle part that says that it has both three or more sides or purple. Now let's try a little fun and let's sort sweets into the correct diagram. So here we have spotty sweets and orange sweets. So let's sort these sweets into the correct circle. Is this sweet spotty? Yes, it is. Is it orange? Yes, it is. So we have to put it in the part that has both. Let's look at this one. Is it spotty? No, it's not. Is it orange? Yes, it is. So we are going to put it in this circle that has only orange. Let's look at this one. Is it spotty? No, it's not. Is it orange? No, it's not. So we cannot move this sweet over here. How about this one? Is it spotty? Yes, it is. But it's not orange. So we are going to leave it in this part of the circle only. This one over here, is it spotty? Yes, it is. But is it orange? Yes, it's also orange. So we are going to put it in the part that has both. How about this sweet over here? Is it spotty? No, it's not. Is it orange? No, it's not. So this sweet does not fit into any part of our diagram. Let us look at this one over here. We have this sweet. Is it spotty? Yes, it is. But it's not orange, so we can only put it in this part of our circle. Let's look at this sweet. Is it spotty? No, it's not. But is it orange? Yes, it is. So we are going to put it in this part of the circle. How about this one over here? Is it spotty? Yes, it is. And is it orange? Yes, it is. So we are going to put it in the circle that has both spotty and orange. And the last sweet over here, we can see that it's not orange, but it is spotty. So we can put it in this part of the circle. Now we can try the same thing with 3D shapes. We can look at which one has a curved surface and which one has at least one edge. Does this cylinder have a curved surface? Yes, it does. Does it have a curved surface? Oh, at one edge? Yes, it does. So we can see that it goes into the middle part because it has a curved surface and one edge. How about the sphere? Does it have a curved surface? Yes, it does. But it does not have any edges, so we only put it in this part of our circle. How about the pyramid? Does it have a curved surface? No, it doesn't. But it does have many edges, so we can put it in the part of the circle that says has at least one edge. Now let's look at the cube. Does it have any curved surface? No, it doesn't. But does it have one edge? At least one edge. Yes, it does. It has so many edges, 12 to be exact. So we're going to put it in this part of the circle where it only has one edge. Now let's look at the cone. Does it have a curved surface? Yes, it does. But does it have at least one edge? Yes, it does. So our cone goes into the middle part of our circle. We have now come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed it. Assalamu alaikum.